Recently, I've become more and more interested in creating immersive installations reflecting on the world around me. Earth's Whispers was first shown in 2015 at Contract Earth, the first central ceramic biennale held at the Henan Museum in China. I showed another version of this installation at my solo show in Mumbai titled Mapping Memory at Gallery Kemul, Prescott Road in 2017. A robotic cinematic light glides back and forth, creating moving shadows. The shape-shifting shadows of structures made in red earth clay glide across the back wall to a soundscape of the night creatures. The installation, set in a dark room, allows the viewer to make a personal connection with the artwork. I'm curious about the pace at which villages morph into towns and then into cities, while the earth recedes at each step further and further away from our daily life and our collective memory. Ode to the Unknown was commissioned by the Indian Heritage Centre in Singapore and is now part of the museum's permanent collection. The inspiration for this work comes from the often overlooked rubber tapping cup in the museum's collection. To me, the humble cup alludes to the inadvertent cross-cultural dialogue between the Chinese and the Indian indentured workers and speaks of colonization, labor movement and labor politics. In colonial 1900, Singapore's rich rainforest was decimated to make way for the rubber plantations. Its rich clay soil facilitated the production of ceramic roof tiles, pipes, and rubber tapping cups that were fired in the dragon kilns across the island. The Chinese indentured laborers brought ceramic technology with them and made the cups, while the Indian laborers used the cup to collect latex from the trees. My studio in Singapore is located at the home of one of the last remaining dragon kilns where these cups were originally produced. For this installation, I reinterpreted the cup, making 1008 polychrome ones in the similar laborious repetitive rhythm as my predecessors did in the same location. I used the clay from the ground near my studio to make slips. Each cup was thrown, slipped, painted with a spiral that was inspired by the spiral cut on the rubber trees to draw the latex. In the installation, the cups fill the room and are set in rings and installed in the rhythm of a rubber plantation. In the midst of the cup, small family-size archival photographs of laborers shine the spotlight on them. The installation pays homage to the unknown maker, an anonymous user of the rubber tapping cup. Forest of Shadows was created for the first iteration of the Indian Ceramic Triennale Breaking Ground held at the Jawahar Kala Kendra in Jaipur in 2018. Drawing on my previous work, I was interested in continuing the exploration of the relationship of nature with urban culture. Shadows captivate my imagination. I've been interested in using shadows to express ideas beyond the immediate. Shadows give a static object movement, exaggerating, distorting, and enhancing them as they lengthen and shorten with the light. In Forest of Shadows, the shape-shifting shadow displaces the object. Here the shadow becomes the object and the object becomes the shadow. The displacement and reversal speaks of temporality and transience in nature and in life itself. The windows aligned on the side walls attempt to capture the dialogue between nature and the built environment. Forest of Shadows was re-shown at the exhibition From Lost Roots to Urban Meadows at the Private Museum in Singapore in 2019.